Hello YouTube. Got a bunch more random Hot Wheels today. So, a bunch more carded cars I had that I did not have loose. First up is a Lamborghini from a Hot Wheels Walmart Lamborghini set that came out a couple years back. 2017. And this is a Lamborghini. Not even gonna try and pronounce that name. That's the Q? S the Q? Don't think Lamborghini would put a spoked wheel on one of their cars quite like that, but would have been nice if we got rear detail. And then we have a Lamborghini Urus in burgundy. So there was 8 cars in this set. These were the only 2 that I did not have open. I had a complete set, so unfortunately, I'm cracking 2 of them open out of that set. So the other ones will go in my carded double pile. I'm sure I had this one in the burgundy car collection, but for $1, might as well crack a second one open to put in the Lamborghini display organizer. I already have it. Doubt I can sell it, so might as well crack it open and enjoy it. It's a beautiful burgundy color too. If it's a casting I collect, I guess I'll buy 2 of them. Oh, I guess I had 3. There's 3 out of the set I did not have cracked open. The next one is a Lamborghini Murcielago. And I'm assuming I didn't get an extra one of these to open because I have a yellow variation of this that does not have the white stripes on it. So, but at least we get tail light and headlight detail with this one. There was kind of like a chase car in this set. All these came with an extra piece of plastic so the paper doesn't touch the actual die cast. And the chase was a Lamborghini Countach. It wasn't really a chase, but it was hard to find because it's right there. It had a metal base, so it's a very heavy casting. And I don't think they've released it in a while, or at least not with a metal base. And then got 2 more variations of the Lamborghini Urus here. So, guess we're cracking open quite a few Lamborghinis, which I don't mind. Free them. Get them out of their blister. Kind of a shame that they could do a license plate but not tail lights. Sorry about that. Dropped the card, then dropped the phone. But yeah, quite a bummer. If they're going to do the license plate and the Lamborghini, it says Lamborghini, throw the tail lights in there. Heck, Hot Wheels. And then we have it in orange. really think I like four-door Lamborghinis. Like the first one we looked at, the four-door car. And now the two Urases. But I'll tell you what, the Urus is growing on me. And I guarantee by the time I get a Mini GT, I don't think I have the Urus yet. Nope. But I'm sure I'll fall in love with it after I get the Mini GT's version. Now getting away from Lamborghinis, we'll look at a then and now Aston Martin 1963 DB5 in red. This is from 2016. And has an extra piece of flashing or something there. Back wheel don't turn. Probably be able to get a screwdriver and knock that out. Pretty nice front detail. Like the look of that grille. I thought I had that's a then and now. That's a then. I thought I had the now sitting here. Of course, I can't find it. What the heck? I have way too many cars sitting here. Well, that will be a future video because it's not in this stack. Nope, not in this stack either. So the next one is a 2017 Acura NSX. Full detail and burgundy. Absolutely beautiful car. Very awesome looking car. Next, from 1999. 1999. Is this considered a blue card? I'm not sure. I think it was early 90s. Surf and Fun Series Chevy Nomad. Spike longboards, maybe? Can't read that word. Pretty cool looking Nomad. Definitely like the Chevy Nomad. So I have another one. Hot Wheels Redlines. Redline tires. And this is from 2002. And this one too had a piece of plastic. So 2002 they were doing it, and 2017 they were doing it for that Lamborghini set. That looks pretty good in orange. I dig the Redline tires. It's pretty iconic for Hot Wheels. And from Muscle Mania 2011, we have a Shelby Cobra 427. Then we got another Shelby Cobra 427 in black gray from 2005. So glad they brought this casting back. It does have a plastic base and no opening hood anymore, but I'm still really glad that they brought this casting back. It is a casting I do collect from Hot Wheels. And it looks pretty good in the flat gray. Got the number 29 and race stripes up top. Next we have a 1970 Camaro from Speed Graphics from the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. Would have been 2018. Did not have this one loose. And it is a casting I do collect. Then we got one here I'm sure a lot of people's gonna like. It's Hot Wheels 67 Camaro Summit Racing Equipment from the Hot Wheels showroom. 2013. I know it says 2012, but they're a year behind on their cars, so it's 2013. It's only 7 years old. I guess 8 years old now. It's 2021, isn't it? Very happy to have that for the collection. Might be one of my favorite versions of one of my favorite castings from them. Would love to have an original one that's red with the white flames on it. Even if it's all beat up and scratched up and played with. There's not many old Hot Wheels I would love to have, but that's definitely one of them. Nice clear windows. I wish Grainlight could do windows that good. Next, we have a Hot Wheels 1968 Nova with the Redline tires and purple. And this would have came out in 2006. Definitely looks good with the Redline tires and the purple paint. And the next one is from Car Culture Track Day. And this is a Datsun Bluebird 510 with roll cage. I don't know if there's a variation. I just said that. I love the Chevelle. Never picked up the Volkswagen. Hopefully I got the Porsche. Both of them. I know I have the burgundy one. And the Datsun Bluebird 510, which I did not have this loose. So this is from 2016 or 2017 Car Culture. One of the first years of Car Culture, or the second or third year, but it's when they had small skinny cards. The cards were the same size as the Hot Wheels cars, or the mainline cards. And of course this has a metal base and real riders. And it has the same flashing. What are the chances of that? that I would crack open 2 different Hot Wheels with like a flashing error where the back tire won't roll. What the heck, Hot Wheels? Still happy to have it. Barely even made a dent in this pile sitting next to me. And my whole little display area is full. 15 minutes in. Let's keep going. From Hot Wheels 50th, got a 2016 Cadillac ATS-V. Never heard of it. Wish they would release this in like just a normal plain deco. Think it looked pretty awesome. Got really nice front detail. They would just get rid of all them funky side graphics. Rims and tires don't look bad. And the next one from Porsche, or from Speed Graphics, Hot Wheels 2016. Got the Falcon Racing livery. I already have one of these in the Falcon race car collection, but thought I'd crack open a second one, put in the Porsche collection. That makes sense. Then the next one, we got a 1971 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon, ZAMAC edition from 2016. 5 years old already. It's one I should have cracked open 5 years ago when I got it. Tell you what, sometimes these any ZAMAC is really hard for me to get. The Walmarts around here don't really get them, and they're just really hard for me to get any ZAMACs. So I always love and appreciate ZAMACs. It's something I've never found in Walmart. I'm more likely find a Super than I am a ZAMAC, and I never found a Super in 2020, so what does that tell you? You got a 1971 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. So if anybody has a Walmart where they get tons of ZAMACs and they have no problem ever getting any of the ZAMACs, let me know. I'll trade you. Maybe we can work out something for, I can either purchase them or trade for them, whatever. But I love collecting the ZAMACs, and I wish I could collect them all. But not even a possibility, seeing how I gotta go to eBay for any ZAMAC I want to get. Sorry for that little rant. There we have it in yellow. So it is a casting I do collect. Have it sitting here in black too. I just can't open it. I think this was a Kmart color exclusive for K-Day or something. It's from 2013, 2014. And I just can't bring myself to open it. Would absolutely love to have it loose, but maybe someday I'll be brave enough to open it. I don't think it's worth a ton of money. Like 20 bucks or less, but. And next we have a Chuck E. Cheese custom van. So this don't have no card holder. Exclusive edition. Might have only been able to get this at Chuck E. Cheese. 1996. But I need it for the van collection. So it ain't doing nothing in a dirty old blister. It just says custom van. So this ain't a Chevy van casting or nothing. This is just a custom van. So I think Mattel's always owned Hot Wheels. Comment down below if you know what year Mattel bought Matchbox. I know I could easily Google it when I'm done filming this video, but I like reading comments. And next, for speed graphics, we got a Ford GT in the golf racing livery. Looks freaking awesome. 2016. And we'll open up one more, an old BMW. And then we'll have to call it a video after that. We got a BMW, or from Walmart, BMW exclusive car set or some crap. I don't know. There's the cars that were in it. I think I have all of them, even the bike. But I did not have this BMW right here cracked open. So let's go ahead and crack it open. And the 2002 BMW, that's like my favorite one to collect. Do like the 92 BMW here. That one definitely looks a lot newer than the 02. I don't know who they're trying to fool. So let's go ahead and get this cracked open. And this BMW set came out in 2015, in case you cared, or 16. Unless you live in Australia, everything comes out about 3 years earlier. Very awesome. Happy to have it for the BMW collection. Well, we'll have a few more of these videos of a whole bunch of random Hot Wheels to open up. Then I might be about caught up with all the carded ones I have. And then we can get started on all them ones, which will all be probably muscle car Mondays. I got enough for 2 Mustang Mondays, or 3 Mustang Mondays maybe, and then enough for at least 2 Mopar Mondays, and then just a lot more random Hot Wheels that need cracked open. So there will be a few more of these videos, so make sure you like and subscribe and leave comments. I appreciate you guys leave comments. I enjoy reading them, seeing what you have to say. I tried to comment back. Have a good one.